Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are here at Harrison's Cave Eco Adventure Park, and we are going to do more relaxing activities. So for example, we are here at the pool, and then after that we'll be going and do some bird viewing, watching different birds they have at the cave. And I would like for you guys to sit back, like, comment, subscribe, and let's keep growing guys. Currently we are on the road to 500 subscribers, so let's keep going guys. Let's go. Yes guys, so we are about to go see the birds. And I'm sweaty because I had a monkey challenge. Now I run to that coast there, you know, did some zip lining. So after I finish tour the bird area, I'll go chill by the pool, and I may see if I could show in a little snorkeling in the video as well. Self swing, chill spot, banana patch, fun. Let's see what we could see. Maps. Currently we got off the elevator. And we are somewhere here, I believe. Yeah, somewhere here, I believe. Yeah, somewhere here. And let's continue walking. Get to the swing. The next spot here, so let's continue walking. This is a banana patch. Self swing. Yes guys, this is an experience to behold. Harrison Cave, come check it out. It's very exciting and fun, and a very fun field day for me. So let's get some picture in. Guys, I know how funny experience there, exposure. There was this lady I asked if she could. This is crazy. No.
Come on, guys. Come on, let's put in the door just now.
Thank you. Picture. Oh, thank you.
The sensations like you're having a massage. You can take the one button while you're recording, and that will take photos out, right?
Sorry, naja. Schau die Dame an. Schauen ja schon besonders schön aus da.
Oh wow. This is Saxon fairy swallow pigeon. There's one in there.